the product, I do not know about the product. Kasi the event that I attended was Leaders Recognition Night. Walang product doon eh. And I don't care about the product. During the time I played basketball 3 times a week, wala akong sakit. I can play basketball, but I don't need the product talaga, no? So, pag tinawag yung Pano, pag tinawag yung Pegasus, yung nakaputi, sabi ko, wala ko alam ha, sabi ko, maging Pegasus din ako. Wow. I do not know anything. I do not know anything. Why gusto kong maging Pegasus? Kami no, pag ako talagang pag nag-perform ka, sabi ko, pag lumipat ako, hindi pwedeng 1 star lang ako. Hindi pwedeng 2 star lang ako. Pag lumipat ako, kung ano pinagataas yan, yan ang target ko.
Yes.
Now, give me 1 week time. September. 1 week time. Pagbalik ko sa Carnoca, I hate Diamond 2 star. For September, October, November, December, for 4 months, Diamond 2 star, Diamond 2 star, Diamond 2 star, Diamond 2 star. Then I hit pa ako June, July, August, the following year. Then 2 years after, naging Pegasus ako. Ang tanong, bakit nakaya ko? Tanongin nyo. Dahil gusto ko. Dahil gusto ko. Walang iba po ang reason. Gusto ko. Kayo, gusto nyo na magbago ang buhay nyo? Yes! Alam mo, malangkas ang yes. Pero sa puso mo, sasabihin mo, mahirap na kaya. Ito ulit. Ito ulit. Alam niyo ba, may conscious mind, may subconscious mind. Sabihin ng boss mo, gawin mo to, gawin mo to. Yes sir, yes sir. Pakalis, imposible. Hindi kaya. Then the following day, nagawa, hindi. Hindi mo nagawa. Pero anak mo sabihin, sa hindi kaya, dahil ito, dahil. Totoo hindi. You have your conscious mind, and you have your subconscious mind. Without you knowing, you will follow the subconscious mind. And you will put results. Gusto niyo bang asenso kayo? Yes, sir! I would like to give you this scenario. Do this. Gawin mo to. Gawin mo to. So, sa isip mo, yes, sir, pero mahirap. What will happen next? Hindi mo nagawa, then a lot of resonates. Now, gawin mo ito. Gawin mo ito, pag makuha mo ito, you have a brand new car. Ano gagawin mo?
Gagawin.
Lahat na gawin mo, makuha mo lang yan. The price of railway is more than a brand new car.
True. The glory is different.
Alam niyo na pagkas ako, wala akong tulog for 3 months. Maniwala kayo. 2 oras lang, 3 oras yung tulog ko for 3 months ko. Alam, bakit? Dahil gusto ko maging Pegasus. Dahil gusto ko. No, ina mo galing. Pero gusto ko, maintindihan nyo, hindi madali, but it is very rewarding. Kung gusto nyo magbago ang buhay nyo, kailangan uhuntog ang ulo mo para matauhan ka. Mahirap na tayo. Tapos kaya mo pang gumising ng alas 8, alas 9 ng umaga, ay kami ka alas 6 gising na. You have no time to relax, I'm telling you. Thanks your friend Pegasus 9. With 9 brains. Nag-relax ba sila? Wala. Bakit po ang daming mga tao hindi alam ang opportunity dito? Now, sa mga bago, marami pong hirapan. Alam niyo si John Maxwell?
Yes.
Uncle ko yun.
Um,
No, John Maxwell, very famous sa mga leadership
leadership and management.
books niya.
Yeah.
Okay? So ito po yung story ni John Maxwell.
Pastor.
Marami siya binabasa about leadership. Then he wanted to formulate lahat ng mga idea niya, gusto niya, ano siya ginawa? Ito yung magandang leadership style, ito yung maganda. Okay? So John Maxwell was very excited. Maganda itong idea ko, maganda ito. Sabi niya, I will gather hundreds or 1,000 people. I will let them pray because meron akong magandang idea. Excited talaga. Excited si John Maxwell. Pero maganda, parang excited ka eh. Kasi meron idea, gusto mong i-part that they have to pay. Now, John Maxwell was expecting 1,000 people. Ang pumunta ilan lang? 710. And during the time, John Maxwell, talo siya ng $3,000 because of that single event. Now, because of that, sabi ni John Maxwell, think big, but you have to start small. Sa mga bago po, sabi ni John Maxwell, start small. Kung first time ka nagpunta dito, huwag ka magbit-bit ng 50 the following week. Bit-bit ka na lang 1, 2, 3, 4 talos. Huwag kang magbit-bit ng marami. You cannot manage them. Kung kaya mo isa-isa lang, dala ka lang ng isa. Start small. Why start small? Because you have the courage to start. Kasi pag nakita mo, for example, can I see the people that I invited for the first time? Pwede mong tumayo kayo. Tayo po. Tayo. Yung mga bago ko in-invite ko. In-invite ko. Okay. Do not follow me. I invited 20 people or more. Do not follow me. Pag bago ka pa lang po, you cannot manage them. Thank you pa. Start small so that you have the courage to start. Number 2, sabi ni John Maxwell, concentration. Pamagbit na talaga ng 20, bago ka palang paano ka nakakonsentrate. Sino dyan ang unahin ko sa inyo? 1 or 2 or 3 or people, kaya mong tulungan sila. Kasi maliit pa lang. No? Now, do not follow me. Kasi may system na ako. Number 1, financially, baka hindi mo pa kaya pag-support. No? Baka hindi mo pa kaya. And number 3, you have to expand kung alam mo na kung paano. Isn't simple nag-start mo siya ng big ball? No. Start small lang.